In this video, I'll show you how to use Zapier to create calendar events from Intercom conversations. Start by signing into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create, then select SAP. Next, click the Trigger step and search for Intercom. Select it as your trigger app, then choose the trigger event that best fits your workflow, such as new conversation or another available conversation trigger. Connect your Intercom account and test the trigger. After that, click the Action step and search for Google Calendar. Select Create Detailed Event as the action event, then connect your Google account. Now map the information from the Intercom conversation to your calendar event. For example, use the conversation title as the event title, set the date and time fields, and include the conversation link or notes in the event description. Next, review your field mappings and click Test step to create a sample calendar event. Confirm that the event appears correctly in your Google Calendar. Finally, click Publish to turn on your Zap. From now on, whenever the selected Intercom trigger occurs, Zapier will automatically create a calendar event based on your configuration. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Zapier to create calendar events from Intercom conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.